DJI continues to dominate the drone industry with its groundbreaking innovations, and the excitement around its latest products is no exception. The recently introduced DJI Flip, a foldable drone bridging the gap between the Neo and DJI's flagship models, has sparked a lot of buzz. Compact and versatile, the Flip caters to those prioritizing portability without sacrificing performance. However, there's an even bigger wave of anticipation within the drone community. Rumors are swirling about the DJI Neo 2, potentially set to debut later this year. This speculation comes from Jasper Ellens, a respected figure in the drone world, known for accurately predicting DJI's product launches, including the A3S goggles and N3. According to Ellens, the Neo 2 could bring exciting upgrades, making it a hot topic among drone enthusiasts. 2025 is shaping up to be a transformative year for DJI, with whispers of other releases like the high-performance Mavic 4 series and the entry-level Mini 5. The Flip and the rumored Neo 2 target different audiences, each offering unique benefits. While the Flip is designed for travelers and casual users who value portability, the Neo 2 appears to aim at mid-range drone enthusiasts, seeking advanced features without the premium price tag of flagship models like the Mavic series. The original Neo has already set a strong benchmark, combining impressive technology, reliable performance, and excellent value. If the Neo 2 builds on this foundation, potential upgrades could include better battery life, enhanced camera sensors, and refined software features, such as improved obstacle avoidance and AI-assisted flight modes. These enhancements would make it a standout choice for users who prioritize functionality and performance over portability. Beyond the Flip and Neo 2, DJI's rumored product lineup promises even more innovation. The Mavic 4 and Mavic 4 Pro are expected to redefine professional drone technology with higher resolution cameras, improved flight stability, and advanced AI capabilities. Meanwhile, the Mini 5 is rumored to launch in late 2025, targeting entry-level users with an affordable yet capable option. Interestingly, sources suggest the Neo 2 and Mini 5 might launch simultaneously, a surprising move for DJI, which typically spaces out its product releases. Whether you choose to invest in the current Neo or wait for the Neo 2 depends on your priorities. The Neo already offers advanced functionality at a competitive price, but for those who crave cutting-edge technology, the Neo 2 might be worth the wait. With such an impressive array of rumored and confirmed products, DJI is poised to make 2025 a landmark year for drone enthusiasts. Whether you're a hobbyist, a content creator, or a professional, DJI's evolving lineup ensures there's a drone tailored to your needs.